welcome back to my channel. Today we are over at the Getty Villa, which is a museum here in Pacific Palisades, not to be confused with Getty Center, located in Brentwood. Due to the closures of the pandemic, they just opened up, I believe, in the last couple of weeks. So we're here to check out some beautiful artworks, a lot of antiquities from the Greek, Roman, and Etruscan eras. They do have some gardens as well, so we're gonna check those out and take a walk around. The sun's just coming out. It was a little overcast on the way here. It's a beautiful day, so let's go enjoy some art and see what else the day brings us. Literally could spend all day in the museum just looking at all of these like statues, and it's really amazing how far art has come over the centuries. Upper levels have more galleries you can look at as well. The museum doesn't do guided tours just yet, but they do have an app that you can download to your phone that you can do self-guided audio tours. So be sure to download that before you head on over. Guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for joining me on this trip to the Getty Villa. I hope you had a really good time. I enjoyed this day and sharing with you and seeing all the beautiful artworks and antiquities that the museum holds. I will put the link in the description down below if you want to go visit the museum yourself. Be sure to get your tickets in advance. Admission is free and all you have to do is pay for parking. Pretty great, right? So yeah, that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, as I will have a new adventure to share with you next week. I hope you're doing well. Let me know down in the comments down below. Until next time, I'll see you guys later.